Hello everyone, today we will discuss a new topic, Agile Manufacturing System. So in first slide we will see the definition of Agile Manufacturing. So it's a approach for manufacturing which is focused on meeting the needs of customer while maintain high standard of quality and controlling the overall cost involved in production of the particular products. So this particular agile manufacturing is seen as the next step after the lean manufacturing. So in last lecture we have discussed the lean manufacturing. So it's the next step to that particular philosophy, lean manufacturing. So as a if you want to define a agile manufacturing, so it's a term applied to an organization that has created the process, tools and training to enable it to respond quickly to customer needs and market changes while still controlling cost and quality. So majorly its focus is on the process, tools and training. Moreover, and it's quickly respond to customer needs and market changes while on cost and quality. So majorly in global competition is intensifying. The cooperation among companies is becoming necessary, including companies who are in direct competition with each other. So the customer they are more mainly wants or they are expecting a low volume product, high quality product, and they need a customized product. So very short product life cycles and development time and production lead time are required. So the advantage of this particular technology, we can say agile manufacturing, is the company is given a competitive advantage since it's continuously changing its approach to satisfy its customer. So you need to design based on the customer's demands are provided. It respond quickly to emerging crises. Even though the production could change rapidly, the mass production could still be just while flexibility is still possible. So disadvantage of the agile manufacturing is the sudden increase in demand will cause shortage. If there is sudden fluctuation in demand, that will cause some kind of shortage. So the company will need to invest more for implementing this agile manufacturing. So the change in machinery and worker up to date and new technology and to keep the company competitive due to short product life cycle. Maintenance could be more higher. So the key element of the agile manufacturing are four. First is modular product design. Second is information technology. Third is corporate partners. Fourth is knowledge. So we can discuss these four key. We can key elements. One is modular product design. So the designing product in a modular fashion that enables them to serve as platforms for fast and very easy variation. That is in modular product design. Second is information technology. So the automating the rapid dissemination of information throughout the company to enable lightning fast response to orders. In corporate partner, it create the virtual short-term alliances with other companies that enable improved time to market for selected product segments. In knowledge culture, you invest in employee training to achieve a culture that support rapid change and ongoing adaptation. So the principle of agile manufacturing are first is highest priority is customer satisfaction, second welcome changing requirement, third is frequent delivery of software, fourth is business people and developers cooperating daily, build projects around motivating people, face-to-face conversation is best, progress measured by working software, sustainable development pace, continuous attention to technical excellence, simplicity, self-organizing teams, and regular reflection and adoption. These are the 12 principles of agile manufacturing. Next slide, we will discuss the difference in agile manufacturing and lean manufacturing. It focuses on responding quickly to unexpected customer requests, allowing companies to capitalize on the highest possible number of sale opportunities, while lean manufacturing focuses on reducing cost, allowing companies for greater flexibility. Agile manufacturing, the production configuration uses fewer people, relying more on automation and modular design. But in lean manufacturing, it relies on heavily on people. The Lean manufacturing also requires higher inventory of smaller parts. Agile manufacturing emphasizes on thriving in an environment marked by continuous and predictable changes, while it emphasizes on supplier management. Again, in lean manufacturing, there is no customization, but agile is customizable. Lean is only one in two versions of product, but it have numerous options are available. In lean manufacturing, we get the perfect quality, but in agile, we get acceptable quality. Lean manufacturing focus on factory operations. Agile, the scope is enterprise wide. Lean manufacturing depends on or mass production is there, but it's mass customization. Lean emphasis on efficient use of resources with emphasis on continuous changes. So we can say in a particular agile manufacturing is completely a enterprise level while lean manufacturing is factory or floor level or we particularly implement in a factory or floor. So the lean is particularly exist inside the agile. So the similarity in both are both ultimately focused on increasing business sustainability in high cost manufacturing sector. Both are answers to challenges faced by historical manufacturers. Both techniques provide opportunity for smaller players to compete with larger entrenched competitors. Both concepts rely heavily on statistical analysis, computerized information system, and open communication between internal and external stakeholders. Thank you very much.